Today I'm breaking down my full everyday carry setup. Let's get into it. What is up, guys, and welcome to the channel formerly known as Workman Protection, now Modern Protector. If you've been following the channel for a while now, you know that this channel is all about helping you with your concealed carry journey and making it a little easier. You're gonna get the same great content just with a lot better quality with the new studio setup. I probably care about that way more than you guys do. In this video, we're gonna get into my everyday carry setup. I'm gonna show you what I carry every day to protect myself and why I carry it. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because there's gonna be some surprises along the way.
Hey, I don't know, like, surprise!
Okay, so first up, what's in my pockets? So the first thing here is my POM Pepper Spray. Guys, this is a tool that is really crucial in self-defense. 80% of assaults in America are simple assaults, meaning that you don't need a deadly weapon, and a deadly weapon is not legally justified. So pepper spray is a great option for that. I love POM because they're small, they're simple, they're a really good quality formula in their pepper spray, and I love the clip model because I can just stick it right in my pocket. Second thing is a good flashlight. Now this is the Streamlight Megastream. I've got several of these lights that they sent me for free to test out, so big thanks to them for that. They're not a sponsor or anything, they've just sent me some really good products to test out, and honestly I've been thrilled with everything that they've sent me, which is not always the case. So this one is definitely pretty big for everyday carry. Like I said, I've got, I don't know, 4 or 5 different Streamlight handheld lights that I carry on a regular basis, but this is typically when I'm wearing jeans. This is the one I really like to have, especially if I'm gonna be out at night. I really like this just for tasks and seeing things, but it's, as you guys can see, it's crazy bright, so it's a really good disorienting self-defense weapon.
The power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
Next thing is the pocket knife. I lose pocket knives constantly, so honestly, like, my whatever pocket knife I'm carrying is probably just because it's the one I can find right now. Lothar sent me this knife. This is just a really cool knife. They sent this to me just last week, so I've kind of been testing it out. I carry a pocket knife really for everyday tasks, not for self-defense. I talked about that a few videos ago. I really don't think a pocket knife is a good self-defense tool.
How dare you!
Because you're probably not gonna have time to get it out and use it in a fight. I like the texture of it. It seems like really good quality. Like I said, I've had it for like a week, so it's sharp now. I like it now. We'll see how it holds up over time. The next thing is definitely a little different for me. This is something that I've wanted to incorporate into my everyday carry setup for a while now. Before we get to the deadly weapon setup, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find the best way to carry a gun comfortably, then I want to give you something that will really help you out, and that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything that I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun 10 years ago, and I want to give it to you for free. So go check that out in the description down below. Chapstick. Wallet, this one is from Eclipse Holsters. It's a metal wallet, but it's not sharp. It's got really smooth edges, so I really like that. And then you've got a clip there if you've got cash that you want to stick in there. This is something that I've wanted to incorporate into my everyday carry for a while, and I just hadn't found anything that works. That is a fixed blade knife. I wanted something that was really small, really simple, that could go up front with my gun. Big enough handle just to grab, but then just a little tiny jabby jab. So this one is from Lothar Knives as well. They sent me this one, again, maybe 2 weeks ago. I'm really just testing it out, so I'm not here to say like, oh, you know, they sent me this for free, so this is an amazing knife. I don't know.
I don't know.
I do know that I've never really found one that works well for me with carrying inside the waistband and having something small enough that I can incorporate into my everyday carry. So for right now, like last several days, I've been carrying this up front with my gun, and I do really like this. There's things that I would do differently. I wish the clip was a little bit more angled so that the knife kind of stuck up a little more. This one almost seems like it's for outside the waistband to clip on like that right-handed, but I like having it over on my left side, and I love the little ring that you can just get your finger in and pull out. If I'm dealing with a deadly threat that's already on top of me and they're fighting me for my gun or something like that, I love the idea of having something right here ready to go that can do a lot of damage. The other thing I definitely want to mention that I don't have with me, I actually have it in my car right now, is my everyday carry trauma kit. Guys, this is crucial. Typically, I carry an ankle trauma kit and then I've got another kit in the car. Honestly, I've kind of gotten out of that habit just because because it's summertime. It's been really hot here, so I've been wearing shorts a lot, and I haven't really found a good way to incorporate trauma medical gear into my everyday carry setup without having that ankle trauma kit. So if you guys know a better way, if you know a good like pocket kit that I could carry every day, then let me know in the comments down below, because I definitely want to try something like that out. But a trauma kit is super important to have, because if you end up in a gunfight or a knife fight, there's a good chance that you're going to need a trauma kit. Before we get to this fun setup, I want to shout out something that is so crucial for everyday carry, and that is an everyday carry belt. Let me get it off. So this is a Core Essentials belt, the sponsor of today's video. I've carried a ton of different everyday carry belts, and really, I didn't know when I first started carrying how crucial a belt was to a setup, because essentially everything is hanging off of it. Whether it's inside the waistband or outside the waistband or in your pocket, that sturdy belt is kind of the foundation for everything. And Core Essential belts are really sturdy. They hold up your gear really well. What I love about them is they've got this ratchet system so you can adjust it exactly where you want it. And the stiffness of the belt makes it great to really pull the shape of your gun and holster in and get the most out of your concealment. If you need a good everyday carry belt, you really can't do much better than Core Essentials. Check them out at coreessentials.com. The gun and holster setup. So first I've got my holster. It is a Eclipse holster. You guys know that they're a longtime sponsor of the channel. They've been with us for over a year now. They make really good quality products. I've been to their factory now twice. I've been able to make a couple holsters myself. This is one of my favorites right now. It's super simple. You guys have seen on the channel before, they have a ton of different fun custom print options. This is just really simple black with orange, but it just pairs really well with my gun. It's just a perfect match. And then I've got a wedge on the back here that I just made out of a yoga block. It's a little stiff, but it does the job pretty well, and it'll kind of loosen up over time. So the gun setup, I'm still rocking the Glock 19 with the Holosun 507C. I know I'm old school. The Glock 19 is it's just the gun that I shoot the best. This is my Smith & Wesson Shield Plus carry comp, and I know that you guys were probably expecting this to be my everyday carry by now, because this is my newest pistol. I really like shooting it, but it's not a part of my everyday carry, and I'll tell you why.
I'll tell you. I don't know.
It's a much thinner and smaller gun than the Glock 19, and man, I've been carrying the Glock 19 for probably 8 years now, and I'm just really familiar with it. The carry comp just shoots a little different. The Performance Center trigger is a really good trigger, but it just feels different than the Glock 19, so I'm not near as good with the carry comp, not near as accurate. I can't shoot it quite as fast as the Glock 19, so is it gonna turn into my everyday carry gun? Maybe. Like, I shoot it pretty well. I just don't feel super confident with it yet. So if I end up getting in a gunfight, I'd rather have the gun that I shoot the best. Am I crazy for still carrying the Glock 19 when I've got this much newer, really nicer from the factory gun to carry?
Yep.
So that's what I carry every day. I want to hear from you. What am I missing? What do you carry every day that I should be? Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.